Hello guys, are you looking for the best LG gaming monitor? Here we find best LG gaming monitor, LG 32GQ850 Ultra Gear QHD gaming monitor with 240Hz refresh rate, 32 inches QHD 2560 by 1440 display resolutions, Nano IPS with 80W QHD 240Hz from HDMI 2.1. 240Hz refresh rate OC Visor display HDR 600 Visor certified adaptive synchronize. Here are some special features: height adjustment, adaptive synchronize, pivot adjustment and tilt adjustment. Refresh rate 240Hz, HDMI 2.1 by 2 DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC by 1 play to win with smoother motion, more vivid colors and the incredible detail of high resolution graphics from 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and a DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC. 3-sided virtually borderless design. Stay immersed on the action with a virtually borderless screen on the 3 sides that keeps you focused in the game. AMD Free Synchronized Premium equips serious gamers with a fluid, virtually tear-free gaming experience. With at least 120Hz refresh rate,